Welcome back to the Innovation Station. We're excited to meet you in this exciting world of technology news and innovation. Today we're going to take you on a fascinating journey through the exciting fields of agriculture, construction, and industry. Get ready to explore incredible technical solutions and unique engineering developments with us. Dive into the complex world of sand removal, where heavy machinery performs a choreographed dance of precision and power to transform sandy landscapes. This vital operation takes place in coastal areas and construction sites, where modern equipment efficiently cleans and transports sand, transforming the terrain for a variety of applications. Witness the impressive synergy of technology and nature as these machines move across the sandy expanse. This process underscores a commitment to sustainable development and responsible land management, demonstrating the delicate balance between human innovation and the dynamic forces of nature, shaping landscapes for multiple purposes and ensuring the continued vitality of our environment. Step into the world of snow removal, a seasonal symphony where the purity of winter's embrace meets the relentless power of specialized machinery. From snowplows attached to rugged trucks whose imposing blades cut through drifts to colossal snowplows that exhale storms, these mechanical marvels are the unsung heroes of winter. They work non-stop, often in the most extreme conditions, ensuring that our roads, streets, and footpaths remain passable, safe, and clean. As we enjoy the pristine beauty of winter, these formidable machines silently traverse challenging landscapes. And with each pass, they confirm our dominance over nature's frozen vagaries. Intrigued by snow removal technology? Share your thoughts below. Enter the world of firewood harvesting, where the rhythmic hum of machinery blends harmoniously with the natural environment. The process involves powerful equipment such as chainsaws and log splitters, which carefully turn felled trees into handy logs. This important operation not only provides a renewable source of energy, but also demonstrates the delicate balance between human intervention and sustainable forestry practices. See the precision and efficiency with which skilled operators move through dense forests, ensuring that each log contributes to the warmth of our homes and the sustainable management of our natural resources. Firewood harvesting is a testament to the synergy between technology and nature, meeting the demand for this ancient source of energy and promoting responsible forest management. Immerse yourself in the meticulous world of rail maintenance, where skilled teams use specialized tools and equipment to inspect, repair, and replace rail components. This vital operation ensures the continued functionality and safety of our rail networks. See the precision and dedication with which employees move across the tracks, solving problems and maintaining optimal conditions for the safe movement of trains. This rigorous process underscores our commitment to the safety and efficiency of our transportation infrastructure, emphasizing the importance of maintaining first-class rail systems for the reliability and sustainability of rail transportation. Stay tuned to learn more about advanced technology and its profound impact on various industries. Delve into the complex world of land leveling, a precise and transformative process that shapes the contours of the land for agricultural, construction, or landscape purposes. Using state-of-the-art machinery and technology, skilled operators navigate the terrain to create level surfaces, optimizing the land for various applications. This method improves the efficiency of irrigation in agriculture, provides a stable foundation for construction projects, and contributes to the creation of aesthetically pleasing landscapes. Land leveling is a testament to the harmonious synergy between technology and nature. Take a journey into the heart of wood harvesting, where a careful balance of precision and power shapes the extraction of wood for a myriad of applications. Giant machines play a central role in the complex dance between human effort and the bounty of nature. From the harsh landscapes of logging sites to the smooth transportation of logs, these powerful machines play a key role in ensuring the supply of raw materials needed for the construction, furniture, and paper industries. The art of logging is a testament to the delicate balance between the needs of industry and the responsible management of our forests. Witness the harmonious integration of technology and untamed wilderness, ensuring sustainable development to preserve our precious natural resources. Embark on a fascinating journey into the world of bamboo harvesting. where the Class Jaguar 900 takes center stage in this unique agricultural endeavor. The powerful and efficient Class Jaguar 900 demonstrates its skill in navigating the bamboo fields with precision. Witness the harmonious blend of technology and nature as this formidable combination moves through dense bamboo groves, efficiently cutting and harvesting this versatile plant. The Class Jaguar 900 plays a vital role in the sustainable harvesting of this fast-growing and renewable material. Dive into the realm of earthworks with the Komatsu D65EX and John Deere 764, where power and precision converge to reshape landscapes. These formidable machines, equipped with cutting-edge technology, navigate construction sites with unmatched efficiency. The Komatsu D65EX, renowned for its exceptional dozing capabilities, and the versatile John Deere 764 work in tandem to execute tasks from grading and leveling to excavation and land clearing. This collaboration exemplifies the seamless synergy between human expertise and advanced machinery, contributing significantly to the foundation of infrastructure and development projects. Embark on a journey into the world of tree care with the SkyTrim 75, a specialized machine designed for precision pruning of branches. This remarkable equipment combines cutting-edge technology with arboricultural expertise to delicately trim and shape trees, ensuring their health and enhancing the aesthetics of landscapes. The SkyTrim 75's agile maneuverability allows it to reach high branches with ease, showcasing its versatility in both urban and natural environments. As it gracefully navigates through the canopy, this machine represents a harmonious blend of human skill and technological innovation, contributing to the maintenance and well-being of our green spaces. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep up with the latest agricultural innovations. Experience a journey into the heart of haymaking, where state-of-the-art technology transforms the ancient practice of haymaking into a symphony of precision and efficiency. These advanced tools gracefully maneuver through vast fields, and their sophisticated mechanisms ensure a thorough harvest, setting the stage for optimal forage yields. This important agricultural process not only highlights the technological advances of modern agriculture, but also emphasizes the crucial role these innovations play in the development of sustainable and productive practices. Here, the combination of technology and tradition is shaping the future of agriculture. Immerse yourself in the complex world of soil fertilization, a fundamental agricultural practice that is crucial to promoting strong plant growth and ensuring bountiful harvests. A symphony unfolds in this vital operation. Experienced farmers and state-of-the-art machinery work in perfect harmony to precisely apply fertilizer, enriching the soil with the essential nutrients needed for strong plant growth. This complex process plays a key role in the successful cultivation of a wide variety of crops, actively contributing to global food production. Fertilizer application is not just a routine, but a testament to human ingenuity, a demonstration of sustainable agricultural practices and responsible use of resources. The world of fertilizer application promises a prosperous future for our ever-growing population. Thank you for joining our exciting journey into the world of agricultural machinery, ingenious tools, and advanced technology. To keep up with the latest updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments. See you soon!